we are going to control our Blender using LLM and MCP server in just 200 seconds. First, we go to this GitHub page and blindly do what it tells us to do. Oh shit. Okay guys, I bought a new computer and will blindly do what this page tells us to do. We will copy this, open terminal and run this. It will download and install the UV package manager. Next, we download this addon.py which will allow Blender to talk to LLMs. So we open Blender, go to Edit, Preferences, Add-ons, and then click Install. We choose the file which we just downloaded. I have downloaded this file before, so you can see two versions. So as we choose this, add-on is ready and Blender is now ready to mingle. Close this, and just to make sure if everything is working properly, we will press N and it will show us Blender MCP tab. Click on this and it will show an option to start MCP server. Once you start server, Blender is ready to communicate with your LLM and do whatever it's told to do. But we don't have an LLM to control our Blender yet. So we are going to download and install Claude for desktop from claude.ai. Once installed, open it and go to File, Settings, Developer, Edit Config and open this file. Just copy and paste everything from GitHub. Then Ctrl S to save the file. Now, when you restart Claude, you will see this hammer icon, which shows all the tools that Blender has given Claude to use. Both Claude and Blender are ready to communicate with each other. Just open the two windows side by side and then ask Claude to delete the objects from the scene. Great. Next, we'll ask it to add some items to the scene. Notice that before doing anything, it asks for your permission. It is meant so that you have control over what changes are made to the Blender scene. Claude has added a 3D model of a chair without me having to do anything except for writing the prompt. You can follow these exact steps and try out all the things that Claude can do with Blender. If you like this video, imagine what mediocre stuff I'll post next week. Subscribe to find out.